Welcome to our fourth quarter event. I'm so excited to see all of you. There's tons of talent in the room. There's tons of bright personalities, people who have been where you are. Everybody has a strength and everybody has a weakness, right? So in this room, we're gonna make sure that we're getting to know each other.
Think about 2022. If it was your life story, what would it look like?
In order for you to get your success, you have to make sure that you're performing at your peak. There are things that are going on in your life, in your business, with your family, whatever that looks like, and you got an open circle. And until you close that circle, and until you have those, what I call difficult discussions, the circle is open. And when the circle is open, anything is liable to creep in or anything is liable to fall out.
Everybody is in here is in the same business. What is that? You're in the business of, you're in the people business. And in order for you to be at your best, you need to be able to connect and relate with people. And that means you can't have a lot of stuff mentally, physically, or emotionally bogging you down. Identify what your best looks like. If it does not line up or bring energy to me, I'm not doing it. So there are certain programs, products, and people that I have disconnected from. Something about it now ain't clicking. Guess what? It got to go. I know where I want to go. I got this idea where I want to go. I got the vision. It's a story. But I can't just start living the story based on who I am now. I got to become someone different. You got to make the adjustment now. And who you were does not qualify to where you're going. You got to become somebody different.
This was the first time where I realized that no matter what we commit to, if you commit to something, 100% you can knock it out.